If it was a real arrowhead, maybe.
We're here at
Winding Trails Falls.
Winding Trails Falls.
I heard someone call it Clay Falls.
It's really pretty.
Some of the people.
And
Alex, this isn't that fun.
Daddy's here. And Alex, Drew, Kira, and Ellen,
And me.
are all here. Hiked up to see this.
I got like a 4-year-old.
And it's like really
Looks
pretty.
curious, doesn't it? Because it does have kind of the loops in it. I doubt that's one, but you're on the right track. Ooh, what's this?
And we're looking for arrowheads.
Big leaves.
Ellen showing me one of the leaves.
It's almost like what I would imagine one to look like.
And then probably
Did you guys find an arrowhead?
This is glass. That's not good.
Did you find an arrowhead?
No.
What is it?
Oh, yeah. You found one?
Nah, it looked like it though.
It looks like it's a blanket right there.
Yeah, I see that. All right,
Alex, what is it?
shut her off.
Well, this is the Winding Trails Falls.
There's a blanket in the water. We'll be start cleaning it. There's